The Amazing Ant Bridge, a story of teamwork. Welcome to the heart of a vibrant forest, where a sudden storm challenges a colony of ants and their quest for survival. Just as life under the towering oak tree seems idyllic, a downpour threatens their world. How will these tiny heroes respond? Let's dive into their remarkable story. In this video, you'll witness how a colony of ants faces an unexpected crisis and builds an incredible bridge to reconnect with their food source. Stay tuned as we reveal their extraordinary journey of teamwork and resilience. Deep within a thriving forest, nestled under the shade of a towering oak, lives a colony of incredible ants. These tiny creatures, always on the move, are a testament to the power of teamwork and hard work. On a sunny day, the forest is alive with activity as the ants hustle around, building tunnels and carrying leaves. Their world seems perfect, full of sunshine and plenty to keep them busy. But nature is unpredictable. Suddenly, dark clouds gather, and a fierce storm unleashes heavy rain. The once dry ground quickly becomes a massive puddle, cutting the ants off from their essential food source. Panic sets in among the ants as they find themselves trapped, facing an insurmountable obstacle. In the face of this crisis, the ants must make a crucial decision. They gather together, communicating with their antennae, trying to figure out a solution. Among them, one brave ant steps forward, inspiring the colony with its determination. It's a pivotal moment. The ants decide to build a bridge across the puddle. With unwavering determination, the ants spring into action. They work tirelessly, using twigs, leaves, and even their own bodies to construct the bridge. It's a chaotic scene of teamwork as they carry sticks, form chains with their bodies, and carefully place leaves on top. Despite the rain causing collapses and setbacks, the ants never give up. They rebuild the bridge each time, stronger and more resilient than before. After relentless effort, the bridge stands completed, a true marvel of ant engineering and collaboration. With the path now clear, the ants begin their courageous journey across. Each step is a testament to their bravery and unity. Ants of all sizes cross the bridge, some hesitant, others boldly leading the way, but all encouraged by their companions. The atmosphere is filled with excitement as they finally reach the other side. The moment of triumph is sweet. The ants successfully cross the bridge and reunite with their colony. They share food, express joy, and bask in the warm sunshine once more. Their collective achievement is celebrated as a monumental victory. The story of the ant bridge serves as a powerful reminder of what can be accomplished through teamwork and perseverance. No matter how small we may be, by working together, we can overcome any challenge and achieve great things. The ants' remarkable journey underlines that unity and determination can turn obstacles into opportunities. As the ants finally complete their bridge and cross to safety, their triumph stands as a testament to the power of teamwork. Remember, no matter how small we may seem, together we can overcome any obstacle. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe for more inspiring tales. We'd love to hear your feedback. How did this story impact you? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know how we can make our videos even better.